Oh, yeah, E. Got that. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I started vlogging today just because I have ordered some stuff off freaking Wish. Wish, if you do not know, it's like just this website or app that you can just get affordable, like super cheap stuff. I ain't even say for cheap, like super cheap stuff, bro. So I had ordered some just little stuff off of there just to put on a Pontiac, like just to start getting used to dealing with my cars and stuff like that, working with my cars. It's like little stuff. Get me comfortable with it, just get me going. I ordered them things probably like 3 days ago. And one of the things I ordered some LED lights for no reason. Like, I'm so hyped though. Like just to get started, that I might not even put them in a Pontiac. I realized at nighttime, I don't drive a lot at night during Corona and stuff like that, nothing going on. But when I do, the Civic is cool, but I can't see anything in here. Like, there's nothing. Like, there's no lights or anything. That's straight up what it is inside this car. So, like, if I can light this up just for no reason, that'll be fire. So, that's what I'm doing today. But right now, I need to get a haircut. It's that time again, bro. I gotta stop woofing. I have to stop woofing. There's no way I should be woofing all the time, bro. It's dangerous. There's some treacherous waters. Treacherous waters. And just because I'm working on my edits, let's do a quick camera close, pre-haircut, after haircut, camera open type thing. And just like that, boy, Dice Squad. I said I was gonna grow my hair out more, so I just told him just to cut it, and then just not to cut it, excuse me, just to temp fade, shape up. Ooh, diced. Ooh, now I can put those LEDs in. I need to detail my car, honestly. I might do that first. I might just I might clean out I'm gonna gut this car.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
We're on our way to the mills. It's too much traffic over here. We over here racing like we about to be there in 20 minutes. Look at that. 20 minutes into 2 hours though. We soon about to go to Franklin Mills, and then I'm gonna go home and put the LED lights in there. So I'm just getting home. that today was wrong. So basically we just stopped at the mall, got something to eat, and he got some ball shoes. But it's about that time. That is what is supposed to be my lights. Come on, bro. This thing is like, ooh, so I just use it. So I was right. So you get your controller, which I figured you would get. You get at least 4 LED strips, and which would be your lights and everything, obviously. And then you get your power, which is going into, unless I can find another way, it looks like it's going to a silver letter. From what I gathered and what I expected, I have my controller, I have my strips, and which is be your lights and everything, obviously. And then you get your power, which is going into, unless I can find another way, it looks like it's going to a silver letter. From what I gathered and what I expected, I have my controller, I have my strips, and which is be your lights and everything, obviously. And then you get your power, which is going into, And on the back of these strips, it's super clutch. I guess like 2 ET type of things to like link them on, which is super clutch. Super clutch. So, let me just plug the power up just to make sure I see what I want to see. So this is how they about to run. They about to run so tough. Flash, or you can just... So you got crazy settings on here, yo. It's actually tough. I don't think I paid that much. I think I paid like $10 for these, baby.
It's Jay on the camera now.
They tough, bro. I didn't think they'd be that tough, though. I got a flash.
You putting like 2 right here? I mean 1 right here and another right there?
There's 1 right here, 1 under there.
Oh, all right.
But I guess I'm gonna just have to put it.
Keep it in the front.
Keep it in the front.
Put them on the sill.
No. So I had the joint planned out where I wanted to hide all of this. Like I could still hide majority of the wiring, cause I could just run it through the floor mats. Could I just wrap this around? Could I just wrap it around? Yeah, I could just wrap this around. If the Lord's willing. I want to get one right here, like I said. Where the next one should be? This on the side or on that side?
That side, left side, yeah. Cause somebody probably gonna kick it when they try to come out.
Back though, bro. Look at it. This one's so thorough.
See, Jay got the knowledge.
Yeah.
Yo. Can't sit there doing that.
If it's gonna be that run all of it, I got some work. You two going like this. No, it's not. It's not for the purpose. To be there for you.
Boom, just like that.
Ooh, that's tough. I'm gonna have to vacuum so bad. Funny.
You about to have the vibes in your car?
Dude, I'm gonna get this out the way. Like I don't like that this here. Ooh. Yeah, that's not enough.
For real?
Yeah, just the look. Look, just the.
Do it gotta like charge or something?
I don't know, bro. I don't think so, cause I just had them on. Oh, there
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Yellow. Give me pink. Purple even more vibe. You put that on, you get me.
Sweaty as ever. Got the lights. I was gonna put these in the Pontiac, but Lewis ain't going nowhere. I really want to do this wiring though. Like I'm cool. I'll be mindful of it. Or it's just Tara want to drive my car. I don't want her just stepping in there destroying my whole life. Like, but the remote, I'll just keep it in there. It's not that big a deal. That Jones tough though.
Them Jones too freaked out.
Randy fire. Randy fire. Down to 50 hill. Oh.
Yeah, E. Got that.
Niggas got that tatted.
Ah.
Killed my whole vibe. For word.
Y'all got crack. Ooh, it should have some zip to it. Yeah, you. So, bro, I'm just getting back from the park with him and all himself. I was gonna wait till nighttime, but I feel like you guys are gonna see like a big difference already. Like, it started getting dark. Like I said, it's getting dark way faster now. So we don't really have to wait that long. Like I said, I've already hit the wires. Like even from here, you can see like the wires aren't out like that. This is just the wire coming back, like the receiver. So that's what that wire is. So even from here, you can see the wire is pretty covered. My only pet peeve was I did not want it to be in this outlet. Until I find another outlet, that's where it's gonna be at though. Which is no problem. Like it's not even getting power unless I turn it on, which is super cool. So I would just turn that on and then just use the remote that I'll have for it just in the car somewhere. And I just have to place it. I just have to aim down here for the receptor that I got stashed between there. I'll stick that up. Like it has holes for me to like drill it up and stuff, but I'm not drilling into the car for no reason. And I'm gonna have to. You couldn't see before. Oh, that's because Cool knocked that wire out. But I'll have to shove that back up there. But bro, look. The difference is crazy. This controller is actually extremely tough. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you got your on-off button. You can dim it if you want. Oh, cute. This focus is weird. You can dim it if you want. You got your different shades of all your colors right here and everything. and then just whatever you want. Right, like right now I got it on flash. So if I just turn flash off, just hit one of the other options. But me personally, probably just leave it on one color, depending on what I'm like. If I wanted to vibe out, that's what flash is for. You can vibe out with flash or strobe. Flash or strobe, that's what you vibing out with. The only thing is with this joint, even if I turn it off, I don't want my power still on. That's the only thing. So as long as I do that whenever I'm turning my car off and I'm getting out this joint, we are good to go. So I'm not going to spend too much time today detailing my car. That's a weekend thing. I got to go to work in the morning. So, but thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.
Yes.